So the next piece of the site we're going to talk about is the projects, so that you can get some projects loaded in here. You can see, excuse me, what a finished project looks like: a featured image, a map, a headline, a subhead, text, and then a gallery at the bottom. Yes, we know these are the wrong images. These are just placeholders for you guys. So if we come over here and we click on PBF projects, it's going to show us a list of what's in here. Once a project's been entered, you can still edit it at any time. You just come and you click on the title of the project. And you can see here the title, the headline, the subhead, the map location. All you have to do is put in the full address and it'll drop a pin in the map for you. The featured image. Right over here on the right-hand side are the categories that you want it to belong to. Again, you can do more than one and you can add them on the fly. Here's the description and here's the gallery. So anything that you want to edit here, you can. If the headline needs to be updated, it can be. If the image needs to be changed, you can remove that. You can set it with something else. Let's just change it so that we can see. Update it here. And let's go back to the impact page and see what we've got. Here we go. Now we can see that that featured image has been changed. If we click on it, there it is. Replacement headline and a new image. It's just that simple. So when we go to make a new project, it's very similar. We go to projects. Here are the ones that we have. We just come right up here to the top and we say add new. And we'll be presented with the same thing, except everything is blank. So we'll just call this one new test project. We'll go ahead and drop in Stellar Active's address. We'll pick a featured image here. It takes us to the media library at first. If you want to upload one from your own computer, which of course is probably going to be the case in this instance, we'd go to Upload Files. And at that point, it's just pretty much like attaching an image to an email. We hit Select, and it's just going to take us to a directory on our computer, and we can pick whatever it is that we want to upload. So I'll just use this spring campaign picture I've got right here. Takes a second. There we go. Once it shows up, we can hit Set Featured Image. It shows up right there. We'll just drop in some Latin here. Paste that in. If we want gallery down here, we just come down and say Add to Gallery. Again, if they're already loaded on the site, we can just pull them from here. Otherwise, we click Upload File tab here and we browse for what we want. I'm not going to do any more of those unneeded images, so I'm just going to throw in some of these PGC images. Select. There we are. We have a gallery. We have a headline, we have a title, we've got everything. Over here on the right-hand side, we just need to pick the categories that it belongs to. So we'll say that this one belongs to Special Projects and Parks. Once we're all done, we'll hit Publish. We'll go look at the front end of the website. We'll come back to the Impact tab. And there is our brand new project. Look at that. So we know that it's part of special projects, so that when we click that, that shows in that category. We click on it, and there's all our information. Our featured image, our map location so that you guys can find Stellar Active when you're in town, a headline, a description in Latin, and all of these great images that don't relate to anything you guys do. But that's really how simple it is. At any time you can come in here. That's pretty much it. I will make another video for you after we've added the functionality on how to order these buttons and how to order the projects so they show up in the order that you want. But I wanted to get a couple of videos out to you so that you can start getting familiar with how this works. I'm not going to make user accounts for you guys until we're done with our piece and we get a sign off from you that you think our job is complete. But otherwise, I think we're right there. I mean, like I said, we have a couple of minor design items to finish up here, like making these things the same size and getting the styles applied to this. But it's very close. So I'll be sending you a link to the site here as soon as we get those last little nits cleaned up. And otherwise, I hope this puts you guys at ease that you're going to be able to handle all this. Thanks so much.